Assalamu alaikum beta. This is your remaining part, think tank. What is think tank? Following table has been given, and what have been given? Volume and pressure. You can see in the table. So we have to calculate the P1, V1, P2, V2, P3, P4, and V3 and V4. Okay. We will get the same result as we have discussed in the previous one. So it means that the Boyle's law is proved here. Conclusion: the student correctly data collected carelessly because there are some changes. Okay, and you can see that P3 and P4 are not equal. Okay, so we have to prove here. In this way you can prove in your paper. So water level in an aquarium decreases slowly even though the tank does not leak. Which changes of state is occurring? Evaporation, because evaporation occurs at this stage. The volume of the liquid gradually decreases and finally no more of the liquid is left. Okay, this is because liquid constantly change into gas or vapors or even when the temperature is less than the boiling point of the liquid. In evaporation, some molecules in the liquid break away and enter the gas or vapor state. Now question number 3 is, what type of alternative forces do you expect between the molecules of hydrogen fluoride and hydrochloric acid? As you know, there is a weak hydrogen bonding between them. The H bonding, hydrogen bonding, is so strong that the molecules remain associated through hydrogen bonding even in the gaseous state. Okay, dipole attraction can occur between them. This is a dipole means there is attraction between the positive pole of one molecule and negative pole of the other molecule. You can see here the between chlorine, this is the negative pole, hydrochloric acid, and hydrogen, that is a positive pole. Or in the acetone you can see that here acetone, again between the carbon positive pole and oxygen negative pole. So such type of bonding is dipole forces. These are just attractive forces. Okay beta. After this, another example, that is between trichloromethane. Okay, this is your Cl3CH, your chloroform. This is commonly called chloroform. Name two substances that are solid at 25 room temperature. They are solid. Two substances. One is the very common sodium chloride. It is always solid. जो बेटा घर में हम salt use करते हैं, table salt. So that is solid at room temperature. Another one is silver nitrate, Ag nitrate. It is also solid at room temperature. And two substances that are liquid at room temperature. One is the water, another is the ethanol. These both are liquid at room temperature. That is your 25 degrees. And question number 5 is, identify the process occurring in each of the following. Mothballs slowly disappear. This is your sublimation beta. क्योंकि mothballs are solid and they are directly converted into the vapors. Okay. A cold windshield become covered with ice when struck by a raindrop. Yes, आप शीशे पर या कोल्ड windshield पर देखेंगे कि आइस के ड्रॉपलेट्स जो हैं रेन ड्रॉप से बनते हैं, आइस से कवर्ड हो जाती है रेन ड्रॉप्स की वजह से. सो दिस इज़ योर कंडेंसेशन. अगेन व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग, वेपर्स आर कन्वर्टिंग इनटू द लिक्विड. Question number 6 is, an autoclave is used to sterilize surgical equipments. Yes, it is far more effective to produce steam by autoclave than steam produced from boiling water in the open atmosphere, because it generates steam at a pressure of 2 atmospheres. Explain why an autoclave is such an efficient sterilization device. हमें प्रूफ करना है कि autoclave इतनी sterilization device क्यों है, because it is used to sterilize the surgical equipments. Okay, when the pressure of the atmosphere is 1 atm or 101.325 kilopascal, water boils at 100 degrees at sea level. This is because at this temperature vapor pressure of water is 1 atm or 101.325 kilopascals. So when vapor pressure of water becomes 2 atmosphere, so what will happen? The temperature reaches 120 degrees, as the same thing is occurring in the cooker pressure. Okay, pressure cooker. Okay, so water boils at 120 degree in the autoclave and produces more steam in less time. Due to high pressure, autoclave is more effective to produce steam as compared to the boiling water in the open atmosphere. Okay, now question number 7 is write the physical states of a substance at room temperature and 1 atm. In this you can get some substances are given A, B, C, D, and their melting and boiling point has been given. So only C has no negative value, no negative melting and no negative boiling. So the C substance must be solid. बेटा ये बात जहन में बिठा लें कि जो नेगेटिव में नहीं है मेल्टिंग और बॉइलिंग जिसकी, so it must be solid at room temperature. Okay, because you can see here it has no negative value. A is gas because both melting and boiling are negative. B is liquid because melting is negative and boiling is positive. ठीक है, और C जो है वो सॉलिड है. ठीक, अब उसके बाद जो है द सब्सटेंस D इज़ लिक्विड बिकॉज मेल्टिंग इज़ नेगेटिव एंड बॉइलिंग इज़ पॉजिटिव. Substance D exists as a liquid water for the longest range of the temperature because it has the longest range. The first change of the state is melting, changing from a solid to a liquid. The first change of the state is melting. Okay, and C you can see. Okay, the temperature stays the same while a substance melts. For water, this temperature is 0 degree because the melting point for water is 0 degrees. As you can see here has been heat has been added and heat value has been given in this graph. The second change of is boiling, you know, changing from liquid to a gas. Okay, the temperature stays the same while a substance boils. For water, this temperature is 100 degrees because the boiling point for water is 100 degrees. You can see the gas is converted into the liquid, it is our condensation. The steam is converted into the water and then water is freeze out to give you what? Solid ice. Heating curves shows that how the temperature changes as the substances heat up. Okay, cooling curves are opposite. You know very well when we heat, so it will give another result, and when it cool down, what will happen? It will convert it into the solid. They show how the temperatures are given as a substance is cooled down. Just like heating curves, cooling curves have horizontal flat parts where the state changes from gas to liquid or from liquid to solid. You can see it has a horizontal paths. Stay blessed, stay home. Fi amanullah. Allah Hafiz.